Today we're on site installing a new 1-inch copper water main. The story behind this job is that our customer had just recently purchased this home. The old owner did not disclose that at some point in the past they performed a shoddy repair on the lead water main. They put a clamp right before the valve. Shortly after she purchased the home, the water main started to leak. You know, this is a really good example of what to look for when you have your home inspections, when you're in the process of buying a home. I recently put out a video describing what to look for. Definitely check that out. Meanwhile, let's go take a look at what the guys are doing. The crew's continuing to prepare for the new water main installation. Let's go take a look at the holes they're preparing. The concrete that they're breaking in the roadway right now just happens to be really hard and really thick. Let's go take a look. They've been working on this hole for a while now. The concrete just happens to be really, really hard. It's about 10 inches thick. O'Neill's working on this hole over here. We should take a look. He's carefully digging. We have a gas main as well as a main tree root. We gotta make sure that we can't damage either one of those. And you can see he's gotta carefully dig between the gas main and the tree root. I'm here with Benji. He's our crew leader on this job. Ben, how you doing today?
I'm good, sir.
Doing good?
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
Well, we're doing a short water main.
Okay.
The house over there.
What was the problem with our customer's water main?
The lead line is leaking in the basement.
Leaking in the basement? Mm-hmm. Okay, so since it's lead, we gotta replace the whole thing, right?
The whole thing.
Why don't you show us where we are right now in the process?
Okay. Well, right now this is the sidewalk. The reason why we put this hole here because there's a big tree right here.
Okay.
And sometimes if we try to make a tunnel from there to in here, sometimes we hit the root.
May not reach.
We have to end up and go make one more hole here. So that's going to be like around 2 o'clock this afternoon.
So you jumped ahead.
We jumped ahead and put a hole right here.
Okay.
Plus we're going to put one right over there.
Gotcha. So it's going to be 3 holes to get it in.
Yeah. But first we're going to try to close the water first.
Okay.
But why is it doing that? I'm going to go ahead and start break that up and dig it down before we go and do anything in the basement.
Okay. Before we saw O'Neill. O'Neill, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, sir.
You're good. Saw him digging. We got a gas main, and it looks like this is a main tree root in here that we got to be careful of, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's go see what Insiga's doing.
All right, walk over here. Okay, well, this is the top hole.
Uh-huh.
This is the top hole. This is where the valve is to close the water.
Gotcha.
Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's not here. So right now, we're just hoping for it to be here.
But you marked it out.
Yeah, I marked it
So
out.
it should be here.
Yeah, it should be here, but sometimes
you get a false read and you have to cut over a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Insiga, what's going on, man?
Working hard another day.
So before we were filming, we were watching you guys break out the street. The street looked really hard.
Yeah, it's a tough cement. Very tough.
So sometimes you don't know. We're on a side street here.
Yeah. Plus
you would think that maybe it wouldn't be that tough, but this is really hard.
It's windy and the breeze just blowing the dust everywhere.
Okay.
So far everything is going as planned, you know.
So Ben, how do you line this up, right? Short water, 3 guys, we were watching it. It seems like everybody has their responsibility. Everybody does the same part every day, or do you mix it up as the days go by?
Yeah, I make everybody do the same thing every day. That way they know what they're doing.
Okay.
Yeah,
so that way you know once when you get to the job site, you're ready to go.
Yeah, everybody know their part.
Okay.
And if somebody don't know something, they're gonna ask me, and I'm gonna tell them, and then we go from there.
Very good.
You wanna go check out inside?
Oh, wow. Oh, they had it clamped, huh?
Yeah.
So this has been leaking for a long time then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she just buy the house, so.
Oh, it's a new homeowner?
Yeah,
They didn't know.
They didn't see all of that.
What Ben just explained to us Definitely not uncommon. We get these calls all the time. New homeowner just bought the house. Old owner didn't disclose or let them know that they had recently, or maybe it was a long time ago, that they had a problem with their water main. There was a clamp on it, you could see right here, and that's where the problem is that someone did some shoddy repair, who knows how long ago, just to kind of keep a leak at bay. And now someone who just purchased this new home has to replace their entire water main because it's lead and it's leaking. What's your plan to get the water main in here, right? This is a tight space, tile floor.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a star drill and drill it right here.
Oh, so we're gonna make a new hole in the foundation and bring it right through.
And put the blowpipe, and it's gonna come through in the hole in front of the house.
Okay, and you'll just sleeve brand new pipe all the way through.
Yeah, we're gonna put a chain through, and then we're gonna tie the chain on the copper line and pull it in.
Gotcha, so we're not gonna have to disturb the floor at all.
No.
Make a new point of entry through the foundation wall. Okay, that's why you have another hole right up here on the property, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Lindsay, guys, see you got your ear next to the bar. What are we doing?
I'm songing the water line.
Sounding
Benji is inside hitting it, so I'm listening if I could
to
hear.
make sure you're on the right line, right? Because if you're on the wrong one,
Big problem.
big problem.
Yep, we don't want that.
No, so are we on it right now?
Yeah.
So this is a perfect example of what good management looks like. All three guys working on three separate holes at the same time. This is how they get the job done most efficiently. Now the guys are almost wrapping up installing the 1-inch water main. Just wanted to get them all together, say thank you guys for working really hard today. To Insika, O'Neill, and Benji, thanks for watching our video. See ya.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Iris is the best.